Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a GE CleanSpeak dryer and it's giving you an F01 error and you're trying to figure out what this error is and how to get rid of it. So the F01 error is an error with the thermistor, which is basically the temperature sensor on the dryer. And if you have this error, the first thing you should try to do is do a hard reset on the dryer. Which is just removing it from power for a full minute before restoring power. Now, if that doesn't fix it, you're going to need to replace the thermistor. This is a moderately easy thing to do. I'll actually just put a link in the description to the specifics of actually how to replace the thermistor, and I'll also put a link in the description to where you can buy a thermistor. Just make sure that the thermistor, the specific thermistor, compare it with what is compatible with whichever specific model of dryer that you have. But that's what you need to do to get rid of the F01 error, is to fix the thermistor.